Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Honda Pilot battery. First, gather your essential tools like a 10 mm wrench, a battery terminal brush, and some safety glasses and gloves. Always prioritize safety by wearing your protective gear. Make sure your Honda Pilot is completely turned off and the parking brake is firmly engaged before you begin any work. This ensures a safe and smooth replacement process. Now, let's disconnect the old battery. You'll find the battery under the hood, usually on the driver's side. Using your wrench, carefully loosen and remove the negative terminal first. This is crucial for safety. Once the negative is off, proceed to loosen and remove the positive terminal. After both terminals are disconnected, unfasten any hold-down clamps or straps securing the battery in place. With the old battery out, it's time to install the new one. Before placing the new battery, take a moment to clean the battery tray and the cable terminals thoroughly with your brush. This ensures good contact. Now, carefully set the new battery into the clean tray. Remember to connect the positive terminal first, then the negative terminal. This order is important for proper electrical connection. To finish up, secure the new battery firmly in place using its hold-down clamp. This prevents movement and ensures a stable connection. Apply a small amount of anti-corrosion grease to both battery terminals to protect them and extend their life. Finally, double-check all connections to ensure they are tight. For more great tips and deals, including a book that can truly change how you think about money, check the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.